complaint by Narayan B. Naik, Antonio Vaz, Corina Marquez Pida Di Mello, and the complaint on based on these complaints, as PDA tanka show cause notice kadilli asa. Strong objection on the issue of construction license to Parmesh Construction Company, Sankwal village. Project is illegally proposed on 6 meters wide. Mega project is proposed without 10 meters wide road. Environment and Forest NOC is not submitted. The land is identified as private forest by Araujo committee. Tanchani complaint dila ki 10 meter rasto available na. Observed that massive tree felling is done in the said property. Bhutani electricity and sewage problem will be faced. तांचे म्हणणे आसा की flora and fauna will be destroyed. तांचे हेही म्हणणे आसा property has forest with dense tree canopy and it's eco-sensitive. तांचे म्हणणे आसा की property is zoned as C1, not in municipal area. आणि हांच्यानी बरयलां की property zone केल्या C1 though the same is not in the municipality area. Bhutani infra हांच्यानी काही land grab केल्या आणि त्यांची property enclose केल्या survey number 257/1 forcefully. तांच्यानी बरयलां की they are the owners of the property by virtue of being the legal heirs of late Mr. Francisco Wallis. Area of 4,000 square meters is co-owned by them and Bhutani Infra does not own the area. Bhutani Infra does not have documents with them to show their ownership over the entire property. Continue any Parina ki Bhutani Infra has utilized FAR to the extent of 200% from the property. Please do note that if no reply is received within 7 days from the receipt of this notice, authority shall proceed and take further necessary action as deemed fit. Prudent media khatir Vikram Naik.